Hey there, welcome to today's video. Now today we will be taking a look at three very interesting dishes. These dishes were actually ordered from supercrab.sg because I wanted to know whether their side dishes are actually nice as their crab. These dishes are actually dishes that I eat quite often. This is the broccoli with mushroom that I have here, the fried fish fillet, and the prawn paste fried chicken. Now the first one we have here is actually broccoli and mushroom. So let's try this mushroom and the broccoli. The broccoli is really nice, especially with the sauce. A lot of sauce. The sauce goes into the broccoli, and when you bite into it, the juice from the mushroom oozes out into your mouth. I'll put the chili together with the mushroom. Now I like that they actually give quite a huge portion of the mushroom. I feel that the chili adds to the freshness, because usually when I eat this, I don't eat it with chili, but it adds to the freshness of the mushroom. Alright, let's go on to the next one. This is the fish fillet dish, drizzled with this yellow sauce. Let's try it together with the sauce. Wow, if you are a fish lover like me, I love all the seafood, I love fish, then you've got to order this. Especially with that special sauce that they put in. This is good. Now to my third favorite dish, the prawn paste fried chicken. Now I love fried chicken. Actually, I eat fried chicken every day, okay? So I would consider myself as an expert at fried chicken. So let's try their fried chicken. There's so much meat inside the chicken meat wing itself. And it's not very hard, it's not tough, it's quite soft. So when you bite in, the taste of the fried chicken just being in your mouth, it's so juicy. Let's try putting this sauce. Now I just found out that this yellow sauce is actually a special sauce that is made by the chef himself. The sauce is very nice with this chicken. Now, just in case you're wondering what the sauce tastes like, I can't really explain it, but there's a bit of this sour taste, like a sweet and sour. These three side dishes are actually one of my favorites. Now, if you're interested to try these dishes, you can actually order yours from supercrab.sg. All you need to do is go to their website, www.supercrab.sg. Check out their menu, you're gonna love it so much. I'll see you next video. Thank you so much once again. Stay cool, stay awesome, and be your best always. Bye!